Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEX Tech, and this is the unboxing of AKAI Professional. This is a made in Taiwan product. This is the APC40 MKII, and this is a MIDI controller that we came across in this Cyber Week, and this is a special purchase. This is a really great offer if it can be still found at the low cost that we bought it. So let's open it up and check the product itself. First of all, I want to check if this came with no damage at shipping, because it is obvious that this box took a lot of beating while shipping. So this will do the trick. We just have to do that on the other side, and we just have to cut all the way here this tape and have a clean cut to open this box. So this is a quite beaten cardboard, because there are some real indentations on the box if you checked it closely. Now it seems there is another box inside, so that might have protected the MIDI controller, like we can see it here, because there are some obvious hit marks on the cardboard box here. If you check closely, they might be able to penetrate the internal box, but on the most part it seems intact. Now this seems to be a professional music creator MIDI controller that will be great for DJs or sound engineers, and it might seem a little bit overkill for a streamer, but that might be a great alternative if you are just willing to pay the extra money or tinkering with it instead of using a dedicated streaming device. Now, as music production goes, we have prime loops, hybrid free, twist, Ableton Live, Lite support, and this seems to be a really feature-rich product with great support on the most well-known music production software out there. So let's open the box and check the product itself closely. Now, first of all, we have the USB cable. Since this is a typical USB connection device, this is a USB type B with a USB type A port connection cable. This is a short one, but I guess we can replace it. We also have a user's manual that seems to be a really thin one. And last but not least, we have the MIDI controller itself. So let us unpack this and check it closely. There seems to be some protective foam here, which is really nice, and another layer. That's great. Nothing came broken while shipping, so we just have to remove the foams at the end of it and uncover this wrapping material here, like it's so. Now again, this is not a really heavy device, so I guess this is mostly plastic, but trust me, this is the greatest you can get for the price. So there are the knobs, we have the crossfader, we have 9 device controls, the pad is illuminated. The plastic seems a little bit on the cheap side, but again, this is great for its functionality. Overall, this seems really great for the price, and if you are a professional, this is a product to consider. So this was the unboxing of the AKAI APC40 MKII. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always, from ADEX Tech, thank you for watching.